Demonstration for SNS, Amazon's simple notification service. Okay, and I believe we have already gone through the theory, right? So as we discussed earlier, we are going to create a topic, we are going to add subscriber, and then we are going to send the message, right? So consider this specific demonstration, this specific lab as an example for WhatsApp. Like you can just relate it with that same. So just need to create a broadcast channel. Meaning you are going to create a topic. Post that you are going to add the subscriber by sending them the link. So basically here we are going to create a subscriber. We are going to add the subscriber with the help of their email address. And here we are going to make use of temp mail or temporary mail and post that whenever we are broadcasting any message, whenever we are pushing any message, it is been received by the subscriber, right? So yeah, let's get started. Let's go to SNS and create the topic. And here I will just write SNS topic demo and then click on next step. And again, as we have in SQS, we have two sort of topic type, that is FIFO and standard, right? So we'll go with the standard one. However, there is one more thing to keep in mind is whenever you're going with FIFO, right? In the old dashboard, you need to explicitly mention .FIFO uh, uh, for this FIFO topic, but for now in the new dashboard, the .FIFO is already appearing, right? So yeah, let us go with the standard one, and then if you want to enable the encryption, you can just click and turn on this encryption flag on. All right, however, for this one I'm going to just turn it off because it's just a normal demonstration, followed by the permission, the access policy. We have two sort of access policy, basics and advanced. Now what does this policy does it actually defines a simple criteria to define the basic policy permissions. Okay, what sort of effect it would be having, and what are the ARN in which it will be playing the effect into, and what sort of action does it able to perform. Right, so yeah, let us keep all the thing as is and create the topic. Now the topic is created, meaning our WhatsApp broadcast channel is created. Now it is time to add the subscriber, meaning add the users to your WhatsApp group. So click on create subscription, and here, as we discussed in the previous theory video, we have multiple protocols supported by SNS, that is Amazon Kinesis, Amazon SQS, HTTP, HTTPS, email, JSON, and SMS. For now, we are going to go forward with normal email, and here in the endpoint, we are going to define a subscriber list. So I am going to make use of temp mail here. Okay, so let me just copy this email, and when I go here I need to paste it. Done, and click on create subscription. WhatsApp group is created, subscription subscribers added. Now it's on the subscriber whether to accept this subscription or not, right? So they'll be receiving one mail from AWS regarding like this, so you need to go and subscribe to this mail. All right, and click on confirm subscription. All right, once you click on that subscription, it will show that subscription is confirmed. Okay, and let me go back to the list. Okay, and here when you refresh, you'll find that this pending confirmation is changed to success, meaning the subscriber has subscribed the topic. Okay, now it is showing that the status is confirmed. Now it's time to publish a message. Now you can write the subject for the message. So SNS demonstration. Hello subscriber. This is a demonstration of SNS service. Okay, and then we'll just write a normal thanks. And this is the message that we want to forward. So click on publish message and go back and check whether you received any mail from AWS or not. Okay, you see we received the message from AWS, and this is the subject we defined earlier. When you click here and check the mail body, you'll see the message whatever we forward is present over here, right? So that was all about demonstrating SNS, okay, with custom email as a subscriber list. Now if you want to delete this topic, you can just click over here, and click on delete me. But before that, if you want to send the message from topic level, that is from the parent root hierarchy, you can just click here and you can just select it and publish message, right? But for now, let's delete this topic, and I think we are good. And yeah, see you in the next one. Topic is deleted and we are good now.